Hi, I'm Kim. Today I'm kind of going to show you the process which goes behind my bakery. Maybe gonna make some stuff, and some of my processes before doing stuff there. Sometimes before going into the bakery I have to bake some stuff, like refresh supplies, like if we run out of cakes or something. All the sweets that I make for the bakery I make in the kitchen. I have all my supplies and ingredients here, and I just get to make anything that I want. I'm pretty sure at some point you guys have had a tour of the kitchen, but I'll give you just a quick rundown. Mostly over here I have a bunch of my supplies, and then over here is some drawers, the oven, and the sink and stuff. And I actually have a cooktop stove instead of a fire stove. I have this teapot and this tea set. I like to use it to make tea for myself all the time. I've been thinking about maybe bringing some tea to the bakery, like to have it be a tea shop, something like that. Yeah, that's a stupid idea because the bakery doesn't have a stove. But I don't know. Anyway, we're also going to go to the bakery so I can show you some of my favorite things that I made for it. But first, we're just going to do some stuff here too. I actually like making the sweets for my bakery in the kitchen at my house. The only problem is the fridge is a little small and I have a lot of ingredients. Yeah, it's really not that bad. It's not like I need to fit an octopus in there. Also, everything has to be transferred to the bakery. Next, I just have some footage of me baking some stuff for the bakery so you can see what my process is like. This is a bunch of baking videos with no commentary. Yeah, so that's pretty much my baking process. Now I'm finally gonna take you guys to the bakery. Maybe with a snazzier outfit. Much better. Sometimes when I go to the bakery, people ask me if I'm ever gonna make the recipe they gave me. Just in case. A disguise. Alright, let's go. Here we are.
Can I just have that cake with the icing on top? I like the powder. Yeah, and maybe one of the strawberry pies.
It seems pretty crowded right now. I can show you some of the desserts we have though. Up here we have things people can buy individually, like for a snack or a bunch of them. And a bunch of cakes and stuff down here. Usually I'll come to the bakery to make sure it's running smoothly or if I need to replenish any of the baked stuff. Most of the time Diana just stays here. Hey Diana, I'm making a bakery vlog video. Oh, hi. I just work here. Okay, never mind. Anyway, the bakery is always pretty crowded. People like to stay in here and have snacks and stuff. But if I were behind the counter, what I'd be doing would just be taking orders and stuff, and then seeing what needs to be replenished, and mostly giving people their sweets. Uh-oh, Sam just got here. So Sam invented this recipe about a summer season fruit cake that he wants me to add to the bakery, and I really don't want him to notice me because then he'll ask me about it again. But Sam's recipe isn't as bad, definitely isn't as bad as Nick's terrible bread recipe that becomes alive. Seriously, Nick's bread was disgusting. Jimmy Stringer took out an axe and chopped it to pieces. Now I'm just gonna put on my disguise and maybe grab a cupcake and then go. I think Sam's ordering something, so he's preoccupied.
Can I just have 10 cinnamon rolls, please? They're not all for me, I swear.
Okay.
Thanks.
Have a good day. Okay, good. It seems like he didn't see me. Wait a sec, is he coming back?
Oh, hey Kim.
Hi, Sam.
When are you gonna start making my fruitcake from the bakery?
I'm not.
What? But it's delicious. With watermelon in it?
Sam, it tastes terrible.
Fine, I guess you stick to the baking. At least I know it isn't as bad as Nick's bread.
Yeah. I'm just gonna get a cupcake now. Bye, Kim. Thanks, Diana. Alright, so that's pretty much it for my bakery vlog. It is fun to run, especially since I love baking. Except when Icicle comes by to steal food. Quote unquote taste testing.
Did someone say taste testing?
No, Icicle.
Fine. I just heard that Sam got some cinnamon buns, so I'll go steal those.
Oh good, then Sam will go and buy some more. Bye.
Hey Kim, I'm back! And I brought a friend!
No, Icicle, you're not gonna be allowed to be in videos anymore if you keep bringing things in that aren't in it yet.
Fine. Come on, Wee. Let's go to Sam's house and steal some food.
Sure, fool. I can hack for you.